Hi viewers, just a very quick video for you today which I will upload in 1080p so you can see the beauty of these two new species of wood that I've made these slides out of. These came about after someone left a comment on one of my videos asking about Purple Heart. So I thought I'd actually do a small batch, and it will be very small. It'll be about half a dozen of each, and I'll give you all the links at the end of the video. But let's just start off with the Purple Heart. For those of you who don't know, this is its natural colour. It's not coloured. When you machine it or plane it, it goes like a greyish brown. And then when it is exposed to sunlight and oxygen, it goes this absolutely gorgeous colour. So if you have it on a sunny window, it'll go even more purple than it is there in the video. And luckily we've got a decent sunny day to show the beauty of its natural colour, and quite a straight grain. Anyway, Purple Heart, for those of you who didn't know, is sourced from Central and South America, and it resists both decay and insect attacks, and was used I think originally in boat building and heavy construction, but more recently flooring and furniture, and for more decorative purposes. Anyway, on to the Zebrano, or for my American viewers, that's zebra wood or Zebrano. Absolutely stunning grain on this species of wood, and it's got like a pearlescence in the grain, which you can sometimes see what shimmering in the light. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, right there. And it's from West Africa, and the narrow lined grain, like on the back, is quarter sawn, and the wider, more open grain is flat sawn. The trouble with the flat sawn timber is it's not particularly stable, which is why I try not to make the backs out of the flat sawn. It does have or can have a very wild and erratic grain on the flat sawn, and it's harder to work due to the tear out from interlocking grain. Its general uses are furniture, musical instruments, carved and turned objects. Maybe if I have an offcut left, I'll turn something. But anyway, so for those of you who don't know, I've been making these silver testing slides for around a decade now, and currently have a huge range of species available, from walnut, beech, ash, elm, bamboo, utility, iroko, and some very decorative black ash. And I'll put links to those in the description. These two wood species are going to be more expensive due to the cost of the lumber. I calculated it out to be £10 per slide, so these are going to be about £50 each. And for those of you who haven't seen them in action, let's do a quick demonstration. I know some of you like to see how slow silver goes down the CCT slide. Oh, there is one thing I forgot to mention. For those of you who didn't notice, I left the branding off because I thought some of you might enjoy the beauty of the grain more, and instead I branded them inside after a silver stacking friend suggested that I could brand them on the inside so the people could enjoy the beauty of the wood. More specifically with the Zebrano one, and the last Zebranos I made, two of them actually went to Canada, and I didn't brand them because I know he loves his wood as well, but branding them on the inside seemed quite a good option. Anyway, let's put an Austrian Thaler down the slide and see what speed it goes. These are 833 silver. and you can see a very, very slight resistance. And let's put another one on there, and you can see a huge resistance because that one is the genuine one and the other's a counterfeit. And for those who wondered what 999 silver goes down like, let's put a Britannia on the slide. Very, very slow. Anyway, I'll leave all the relative links down in the description for you, and thanks for watching, and keep calm and keep stacking. Bye.
Bye.